pussy. Gotta get you clean. Hi.
Huh?
You're not very nice.
What a tease.
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
He's like growling, but yeah. What is happening? Oh, sweetie. Another thing.
Shut up.
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
Hey.
Hey. You're so cute.
Damn, babe. Oh. Oh, gee. No.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Jeez.
His tail. Oh.
No.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Guys.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
The choice is yours.
Where is the...
Buongiorno.
You bad.
Stop. Somebody come get her. She did.
Penelope Panini! You come here right now!
I do ba do ba do ba do ba do.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above? Hey, come here, come on.
Oh, sorry. I'm a cat lover. I'm sorry.
Speed, bitch. I'll show you some real speed.
내집 마련의 소망도 모두 이뤄지는
Misty! Oh my god. He's like growling, but
What? No.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
No! No! Sailor.
Say good morning to your mama. Let's try again. Good morning.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
Get off my car.
No! No! You're not coming in with that thing.
Back to his feet. Is he going to deliver?
Green tomatoes and sweet fried apples.
Oh my god.
Well, I think we're starting.
Yes, it's a wig.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was
Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас.